So it's fall, and that means it's the perfect time to make your own eco and green laundry soap with these little guys. You maybe know soap nuts. They are almost the same like our chestnuts, but soap nuts come from India, so I think. These nuts from India have to travel quite long, which is obviously not the best thing for our environment. So you maybe still use industrial detergents, but the cool thing about chestnuts is that it's better for your skin and of course for the ecosystem, and it's quite nice that it's for free every fall. But how do we make a laundry detergent out of them?
Okay, first you have to dry all your nuts. I already did that. Next you have to cut them in little parts. After that you have to peel them. After peeling the chestnuts, you have to get some hot water and pour it over them. Now it's time to wait. Let it stay overnight and the next day you can wash your clothes.
Okay, thanks, bye. Oh wait, and one more thing. If you want to make your life a little bit greener, it would be super cool if you like this channel and subscribe. And yeah, that would be cool. See you next time. Bye.
Bounce to the jingle, bounce to the jingle, pounce like a bango, pounce like a bango, tiger inspired, twisted like tango wire, stuff eyes on these rhymers, it's the freak style.